Joey in South Carolina, finally getting started on your Grant XL. The hell's this sticking out the side over here? Must be some kind of down channel switch. I hate it when people do that. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get started on it. Okay, got that plastic bag off of it. I'm seeing some light scratches on the top. I thought I'd document those. And a few scratches on the bottom of it, but nothing real bad. It still looks pretty good. Mismatched knobs. Wow. Must be a 10 turn, but why didn't they put the original knob back on there anyway? That one's missing totally. Alright, more to come. Okay, Joey. Just wanted to give you a shot of the inside of this thing after all that stuff's been put in here. There's your Echo board, TRBX3. There's your LC5304. Okay, got new covers on here. Here's your speaker connectors. Rather than cut those wires off, I just ran them up here to the front and put a connector on the end of the wires to go to the new speaker. Okay, and your control wires and the little connectors that we used for other things, I saved those and put them inside of heat shrink so that if you ever want to go back to it, they're there. Okay, so all we'd have to do is just hook them back up. Alright, I think that about does it on the inside. I think I've already showed you the shotkeys that are installed. It did the broadbanding and install the new RF amplifiers, higher gain RF amps. Okay, let me get the covers put on it and I'll give you a demo. Okay, Joey, here you go, buddy. Let's see. That switch right there. See how the display goes dim if you don't get it just right. It's not popping back out all the way, does it? Okay, I think it did that time. You have to like snap it out. This is your counter too, by the way. There's your 3-digit display. Okay, the LED in the meter, white LED in the meter. There's your Echo. Now the thing about the Echo is all the way down. This is off, okay, and that's all the way up. See where the little orange line is? And that's because of the way that I have to mount the potentiometer in there. It's a dual potentiometer and switch, all built into one. The way I have to mount it in there means that these knobs turn out like this. Now if I had another set of Unit and Grant knobs, then it wouldn't be like that. They would be where they're supposed to, you know, with that being all the way up. But this is off. Now if you happen to run across another set of Grant XL knobs, you know, the dual knobs, change them out. Okay, and there's your 10-turn clarifier. I did put a new smooth acting potentiometer in there for you. Wanted me to make sure it got the zeros. Okay, there's 5 up. It'll go a lot further than that. It goes 2.5 past 5 up, so that's 7.5 up. Let's get back down to center slot. Okay, there's center slot. And I went all the way down to, that's almost 2.9. So 7.9 down and about 7.5 up. Okay. And with this 10-turn clarifier, it's real easy to control. Of course, though, you already know that. But this one is smooth. It feels smooth, and I found a knob that kind of sort of matches the other knobs. It doesn't look as out of place as that little black one did. Okay. Here's your new covers. They still have the plastic thing on them, so make sure you take this plastic crap off, because it will turn into a mess if you leave it on there for for a long period of time, a year or two. They turn into a mess, and if you do decide to pull them off, then all the glue and everything sticks to the bottom of them. So I'd recommend going ahead and peeling that plastic covering off of there. All right. Now, you wanted the frequency meter connector on the back. Let me show you where I put that. Okay, it's right in between the power connector and the external jack connector. Right there. Okay. And now let's do some power measurements. I'm on lower sideband. The meter, they both have 100 watt slugs in them. Okay. Meter on the left is RMS. We'll be reading on the bottom scale. See that 100 scale there? Same thing with the peak meter. The bottom scale. Okay. 0 to 100. I'm on channel 38. Hang on a second. I need to turn this other radio down. Hello, audio. Audio, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's almost 35 watts. Okay. And you wanted the dead key on AM, sit down real low. Well, let me show you the RMS on sideband. Audio. That's about 20 RMS. We're doing about 30 peak. That was on sideband. Now I'm on AM. And dead key in about 2. We wanted 2.5, so I got it about 2 right there. Okay. Audio. Audio. Swings to about 22 watts. And again, that's on channel 38. Bright dim. Down. Turns your channel selector to a band switch. That's what you wanted. You wanted it to move the band when it was down. Okay. Squelch scan is on this guy right here. Let me put it on an external antenna. Hang on a second. Get there where we can hear it. What I want to do is set the squelch. Of course, you've already got one of these. You know how all this works. So I'm going to scan down. And there's nothing on that one, so I'm going to click it counterclockwise to make it continue scanning. Oh, there was somebody on that one. The noise blinker and ANL are wired on permanently. It's early in the morning, so I probably won't hear a whole lot on there. Go back the other way. A lot of electrical noise here in the shop. You see how it rolled back over, rolled back up to the top, and then started down. Anyway, you get the idea. And then watch this digit right here. When I switch to band, you see it changed. Okay. Now I'm on regular upper 60. Okay, well, when it says U, that means up above channel 40. This is channel 1 reference display. You're familiar with it. Move that down. That's the band and that channel on that band. Okay. Back around to E10. Back down to A1, okay? This is your lowest channel here. That's your highest. A lot of static. Electrical noise around my place here. Alright, let's go back to channel. Actually, I want to go back down to band C. And get back on channel 38. There we go. Alright. Joey, I sure hope you enjoy your radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody.